Alright, I'll see you. Hey, wait.
Bye.
See ya.
Bye.
Nice seeing ya.
Bye. Nice to meet you too.
See ya, fan face.
Take your fan.
It's a boom am I in speaking.
Yeah, there you go.
Bounce again. Oh, you can bounce it?
Yeah, bounce it up.
Keep it
Bounce
realsies.
it up.
Yeah, but you're gonna wake up the people out there.
No,
They don't appreciate it.
Go for it.
Good.
Want some sandals?
What time does she leave?
6:30. On?
It is
Yeah, put them on.
You want a
Should I
hat?
put on?
You mean early?
I love a hat.
You want that?
Stop it, you know, are you serious? Serious?
Serious?
Or does it go this way?
Pray to a God that I don't believe in.
I got some bird. I got some bird over here too.
Like a friend from Nagle door saying, "We gotta go."
Really?
Yeah, I'm like,
I was trying to Linda sit over, but
they just, no, they did. That was like 6:30 in the morning.
Oh, but you would do it.
I'm surprised she like.
I would try.
You would have?
That's like early. Anyways, time.
She's straight.
You can sit around with it.
This guy that was like a bodybuilder, like all Mr. Universe or whatever those bullshit guys were. He told me to do that, and I started doing that shit. It fucking.
The guy.
So if you do it, you do it with dumbbells and then with the bar. So like, say you do like.
Let's read shin music. Ow, my ankle hurts because Pat's gonna mess it up. Oh my god. Sancho's just getting messed up right now.
He just keeps getting up.
The Tasmanian!
What does that move?
It's like, put your arm over here, and he chokes on like this.
Who does it?
Taz.
Do a John Cena. You can't see me.
Shash Q.
Turn around.
Well, Aaron Rodgers.
Yeah.
Aaron Rodgers.
Hey, he's gonna have 3,000 hits.
He's awesome.
And he came when he was like 27. If he would have came when he was 21, he would have had like 40.
That's insane how good each are.
Peace man too.
It's not peace.
Peace man?
Sorry, that's my voice.
You going to bed, Peace man?
Peace man going to bed.
Peace Man's Christmas is tomorrow.
Ain't gonna hear nothing. Peace man's tired.
But Ichiro is a
Sleep out. You can choke in the playoffs. Hey, you can't hate on A-Rod though.
Yeah, bull crap, dude. You can't hate on A-Rod.
Yeah, you can. Why?
He makes lots of money, doesn't win any championship.
Fine, show respect. One thing.
You know the TV camera
at that moment.
Hi.
Yeah,
Finally found her after all that time. And I had to log in my Facebook account.
Pink. I think it's pink.
And like,
Kind of
who's
salmon
freaking trying to get her nipples? Is that you or Bataz? I got invited her tonight, but she won't come. Oh, I'm sorry, I thought it was Okamos, not Okames. Is this Christmas or Okamos?
What?
Everybody's like, man.
Nice!
They had a poster.
I
Don't
love it when it works.
because you'll know who has it.
This is like the steps of the Philadelphia art museum. And I ran through here. Defense ball. It's a jump ball.
Trevor?
Yeah. Good job, Stevie. Good job, buddy. Oh, it's getting intense.
Anyone ever seen this show East Garden down?
Going camping. There's Nagle.
Yes!
Game time. Game time.
Yeah.
Yes, Steve Nagle.
Ball. More. Stop, Stevie.
Weights, but I
Yeah.
didn't have like a specific incident where it happened. It just all of a sudden this pain started growing that was just unbearable.
Look at me on TV?
Yeah.
TV.
I want you to get out there one more time and win one. I'm done.
As well. Make sure you get my good side one more time.
Oh my gosh.